Okay, we're going to be showing you how Ed does hot dogs while camping. Now, normally he goes through a whole thing with charcoal grill and all that, but he doesn't want to today. So here's all of our ingredients. Very basic. And
the weapon of choice.
This is how he does it. This is called the lazy way to do hot dogs. I'm going to start with Polish sausage, which is mine because I don't like hot dogs. I like some flavor.
So it's just like roasting them over the campfire, just
over a propane torch.
Over a propane torch. And with this, you can get them as done as you want. You can blacken them if you like. But you don't want to heat them up too fast, otherwise you'll just burn the outside and the center will still be cold. So think of it more like toasting a marshmallow than.
That's what I was just thinking, marshmallows.
It's no different than using a propane grill. Everyone thinks it's horrible, but it's just, I mean, it's propane, so it's not like.
I like the charcoal and some wood smoke and
I mean, don't get me wrong,
that.
charcoal has a better flavor, but that requires me to put charcoal in and light it up.
Watch for the big weird black beetles falling out of the tree. And you do have to be careful of the little critters that are wandering around. But actually, it's looking too bad.
Oh, of course not.
Of course not. Ed's making it.
So
there's the finished Polish.
Yeah, it's almost finished. She likes hers a little bit blacker than the others, or a little more charred. So I'll be heating it up for a minute. Now I can just go back through.
Now does the fork get hot?
No. So I can just blacken it now as much as I want it to blacken.
And there is my finished Polish sausage. Blackened by Ed's quick way. Now here's how he does his 3 hot dogs.
And you don't ever have to worry about getting one more done than the other, because you can just control it by heating up one more than the other.
I'm surprised that pork doesn't get really hot. Here we are in the full outdoors. See, that's what we use for night cooking.
But now when I get done, I have a fork to clean up, and I turn the propane torch off, let it cool for a minute or two, put it away.
Who's gonna clean it up? And it does seem different doing it this way, but it is no different than cooking over a propane grill. Just don't have that smoke or that charcoal flavor.
No, but you got that propane flavor.
So Ed's already almost eaten most of his. And honestly, I ate my Polish sausage and it tastes no different than if he had done it over the propane grill. So bon appetit. That's how you can do a hot dog really quick while camping.